Good morning, Texans. Today is Monday, May 4th. For all you Star Wars fans out there, May the 4th be with you. We'll go ahead and get that out of the way. It's time for our morning announcements. We'll start with our Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now to the great state of Texas. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. And now we'll observe a moment of silent reflection. So the news is out. We are having a graduation. We're having an in-person graduation, and it's going to be on our original graduation date, May 26th, at Texas Motor Speedway. I'm looking right out the window at Texas Motor Speedway right now, and at the school we can do that as well. It's just neat to have it in our very own backyard, and so we really appreciate TMS for creating this partnership for all of our schools in Denton County, and it's just so very exciting to have an in-person graduation. I mentioned in my email to everybody yesterday, I know that there are still folks out there, students, families, who are grieving the fact that we are not having a traditional graduation. This one is about as close to tradition as you can get during this time. And I think you look around all of the area school districts and you'll see that anybody else that is having one, at least in this time frame, is not having even a remotely traditional ceremony or even an in-person ceremony. And so we're very fortunate that we're able to do this on the original graduation date. We're able to do it before our students start to leave town, head off to the military, head off to college, head off to all of the different things that they're doing. And we get to do it in a time frame that we're reasonably certain we're not going to be shut back down again. And so there are lots and lots and lots of advantages to this opportunity to do it on our original date. I'm excited about it. I'm looking forward to seeing our Texans. I'm looking forward to seeing our families. And there are going to be some pretty epic photo opportunities out at Texas Motor Speedway. So really, really cool thing. And I'm just super, super excited for this. Seniors, please remember to get your scholarship offers into counseling. This is a big deal because now we got a graduation program. We've got legacy awards coming up. We really need to be able to list all of your scholarship offers and then add to that total. Class of 2020 wants to have a bigger total than class of 2019. 2019 killed it, y'all. They had over $17 million in scholarship offers. We're sitting around, I think, 10 or 11 right now. So we need to get after it and get those offers in. If you're competitive like I am, class of 2020, step it up and get those offers into the counseling office. Any offer that was made to you, it does not have to be one you accepted or using or going to the university you're going to. Any offer. Get those listed with Miss Charlene Jackson or your counselor. Graduation honor cords. I have learned that there is a deadline to your purchasing of graduation honor cords. Those must be purchased by May 19th. So please make sure that you get those ordered so that we can get your graduation honor cords in. Legacy Awards, just a reminder, seniors, that is going to go online May 22nd. We're in the process of putting that together and then we'll record it next week. And so those awards will be published online May 22nd. And Night of Excellence, our underclassmen awards, that will be published on May 21st. Pickup and return of items. Mr. McCowan, Coach Poe, and Coach Chandler have headed up that charge. They have organized a lot of things. Athletes, you'll hear from Coach Poe and Coach Chandler in the coming days about a pickup that I think will happen sometime next week. Mr. McCowan has already started the process. He's got the AP teachers coming up to the building and finding items for our students who are taking AP exams starting next week. We're going to try to get our AP students in to get those items this week. So look for that email from Mr. McCowan. It'll actually come from the school account, but Mr. McCowan put it together for you. He is your contact. There is a survey that you'll need to fill out in order to ask for the items that you need. And so just make sure that you're on the lookout. That's the word I'm looking for those emails, because you want to get that taken care of, especially if you're taking your AP exams. Those are all of the announcements I have for you today. Texans, make it a great Monday. I love you, I miss you, and I look forward to seeing you soon.